What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again to my channel, guys. So today, guys, it is a quick vlog. We're gonna be cooking some food, so I'm gonna be doing a quick vlog showing you guys exactly what we're gonna be cooking. So before I get into the video, guys, I'm gonna ask you, if you are new to the channel, you're just browsing around, you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share, comment, and let me know what y'all might want me to make next. So with that being said, guys, let me go ahead and flip this camera around and show you guys exactly what we're gonna be making today. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you guys that in a few. In this pan right here, I have some steak meat that's been marinating overnight in my green Haitian épices. If you don't know what Haitian épices is, I'll be sure to post a link in the card description. You can check that video out. I got some fresh veggies chopped up over here. On this side, we got some Spam that we're just gonna run some hot water over to take out some salt flavors in there. And over here, this is the pasta we're gonna be using to make the pasta salad. And also, I'm going to be making an upside down pineapple cake. That's kind of like my favorite cake to eat. And over here, guys, we already got the pasta cooking up. It's almost ready. So we're gonna let that cook up a little bit more. And then after that, I'll be draining that water from it so we can get started adding all the ingredients together. And I got one more thing over here, which is my plantain that I'm going to be frying. So be sure to stay tuned throughout the whole entire video, guys. If you valued anything so far, please hit that like button and drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think. And if you have any suggestions, things that you might want me to make on the channel, please drop them comments down. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back to show you guys some more. Alrighty, guys, so my pasta is all cooked up, drained, and just sitting, waiting on my bechamel sauce that we are making right now. Some butter in that pan. I got my oven preheating for my steak to go in. And this is my, that's still sitting in that warm water just to help us reduce the saltness in there as we're working on the sauce. So once the sauce is getting complete, guys, I'll be sure to turn this camera back on and show you. And as I'm moving on to the next items, I'll show you guys as well. So stay tuned, guys, for more. Alright, guys, so steak is in. Oven temperature 400 degrees. Now I'm gonna be watching it like every 10 minutes. I'll probably flip side because I want my steak to be nice and juicy. So I'll show you guys each time that I'm flipping it. So I'll be sure to show you guys exactly how it's looking. So stay tuned. We got the sauce going already. We got some fresh vegetables and our butter cooking up nicely. And we got our Spam still in the warm water. Pasta over here. So be sure to stay tuned, guys. I'll show you the next step. Alrighty, guys, so this is how our bechamel sauce is looking like. Fresh parsley, red onions, orange bell pepper, green bell pepper, and fresh chopped garlic. And also what we added was some evaporated carnation milk, and also we have some Philadelphia cream cheese in there. So right now what we're waiting on is just waiting on everything to blend in together so we could add the Spam in there, and then we'll mix it all with our pasta. So be sure to stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back to show you some more. So while my steak is in the oven cooking up and my pasta is getting ready, I'm gonna go ahead and peel my plantain and cut them up into the pieces that I want them to be. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna cut both ends. Just gonna do one line all the way across, just like that. And voila! So I'm gonna do that to the remaining ones, and then I'll show you guys how I'm going to cut them next. Alright, guys, so I got all my plantains peeled and everything, so now I'm getting ready to cut them to the size that I want them to be. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. So I'll probably make them like 4 pieces or something. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we'll do 4. Alrighty guys, so that's it. So I just cut them into smaller pieces, and next all I have to do is deep fry them for the first time, and then I'll have some salt water on the side so I can dip them back in there and refry them again so they can have that salty flavor. So be sure to stay tuned. I'll be right back with that step, guys. So right now guys, our bechamel sauce is ready. Pouring it on top of our pasta with the spam and all the vegetables. And now we're just gonna mix it up real good, and then our pasta salad will be ready. And depends on what it needs next. We might add a little bit of cheese. That's about it. So be sure to stay tuned, guys. More is coming up next. Alrighty, guys. So pasta salad is all done. So now I can really focus on the steak and my fried plantain. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do next. And once everything is about done, I'll go ahead and set everything up together to show you guys. But stay tuned, guys. I'll show you guys how my steak is looking in a few, and also how I'm going to start frying my plantain. And I think with the cake, I'm gonna go ahead and make the cake later on tonight. I don't know if I want to do it right now, so be sure to stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so while I'm waiting on everything to be cooked up, I'm gonna go ahead and mix my upside down pineapple cake. So in my bowl, I got my cake mix. It recommends 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I'm not gonna use water, I'm gonna use milk. So I'm gonna add 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and I got 3 eggs right here. So 1. Try not to make a mess. 2. And 3. So we got 3 eggs, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and then now it's time to get some milk. They asked for 1 cup of water, but I'm gonna do 1 cup of milk. So there goes 1 cup, and then one thing that I'm going to add, guys, is of course some vanilla extract. Now it's not recommended, but I like to put it in mine to help boosting up the flavor, just like that. And then also after I mixed it, and depends how thick it is, I will add a little bit of my canned pineapple juice in there, just so I could get the pineapple taste in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna mix everything, and then depends how thick it is, I'll add a little bit of my pineapple juice in there. So we're just gonna mix it all together. Alright guys, so after mixing it, this is what you should have. So next up, I'm going to get my pan. This is the pan that I'm going to be using. And what I'm going to do is get some butter to spread on the bottom so I can lay out my pineapples, and then put some of my brown sugar on my pineapple so they can stick to the cake. And after that, we'll be ready to start baking it, guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some butter, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so as you can see, my pan has been buttered up. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands real quick so I can start adding my pineapples in there. Grab a clean fork, put the butter to the side. You're just gonna grab your slices of pineapple, just like that. Lay them flat in there. I think I might have enough room to add 6. So that's what I'm trying to do. So there's 2 already. Let's see if we could fit 4 more. Just like that. Just like that. 2 more. Okay. Last one. Alright guys, so I got 6 in there. Let me show you guys real quick. So I got 6 in there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread some of my brown sugar on top of them so it helps sticking, just like that, all over your pineapples. And then also guys, now I'm going to use some of my pineapple juice and just spread some on the bottom so it could be nice and moist, just like that. All right, and next it's your cherries. You want to add cherries in the middle of your pineapple slices. So just add a little bit more sugar on them cherries, just like that. And that's it guys, so you should have something looking like this. And now what I'm going to do is just pour my cake mix into the pan with my pineapples and my cherries set up like this, and then we'll be ready for baking. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. Okay guys, so now what you want to do is you want to just fix everything, make sure it's all laid out perfectly, just like that. So stay tuned guys, I'll show you guys once I'm getting ready to throw it in the oven. I'll be sure to show you guys, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so my cake has been put in my oven, and this is my steak that was resting for about 10 minutes. I just rub it with a little bit of steak sauce, and now I'm throwing it back in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes just so that the sauce can get all the way inside the meat. So this is what's going on right now guys, and also we are working up on our rice. This is gonna be some rice jonjon. That's what we're gonna be making. So stay tuned guys, I'll show you how everything is coming along. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is how my cake and my steaks are looking like. Now I just flipped my steaks and put some of my steak sauce on the other side. So I'm gonna give it like about 5 to 10 more minutes, and then I'll be cutting up some onions and some bell peppers to spread on top, and then basically steak will be done. So right now I am currently working on the rice. Pasta salad is all done, and also I have to deep fry my plantains in a few. So be sure to stay tuned, guys. I'll show you guys how everything is looking like in a few. Alright guys, so my steak's all done. In this little bowl I have some fresh vegetables chopped up that I'm going to be using as garnish. And my rice is cooking up nicely right now, so everything is pretty much all done. Right now I am getting ready to start frying my plantains. So that should be done maybe in about 10 minutes. So I'll show you guys how everything is coming about. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so my frying process has begun. So I already got some of them in there fried for the first time. Now I'm going to press them, and then I'm going to be dipping them in some salt water for taste, and then I'm going to put them back in the deep fryer again. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. Alrighty guys, so I am finally done with cooking. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and show you guys exactly what I did. So if you value anything at all from this video, guys, please drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think. And also, if there's anything you would want me to help you with to make that you've seen in this video, leave a comment as well, and I'll be sure to respond and to help you guys out. So with that being said, guys, let's check it out. So as you can see, these are my fried plantains with some shredded steak pieces and some green bell peppers, red bell peppers, orange bell peppers, and chopped parsley. Garnishes in the middle. And then over here I got my pasta salad and some rice. Jonjon. The jonjon is mushroom rice. That's what it means. So this is it, guys. Now exactly what I'm going to do now is enjoy myself some of that, and after that probably just relax and get the day over with. So with that being said, guys, this is going to be it for this video. Leave a like, comment like I mentioned earlier, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Help me grow the channel. So with that being said, guys, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.